क्योंकि आप स्क्रीन विलन है, आई वांट टू नो व्हाट्स द वर्स्ट काइंड ऑफ अब्यूज यू हैव रिसीव्ड.
Well, this has been. My father was quite apprehensive about mine becoming an actor. He said, "Yeah, this is a very insecure profession. कहाँ जा रहे हो भाई? So you better do some IAS and all that." मैंने कहा जी अभी शौक तो ये का ही हो गया. So I'll have to try my luck there. So when I became famous, I went to Chandigarh. He was at the Chandigarh. So we were working that day. And it's written in the book also, this incident. And there's some ladies and they were coming with their husbands. The moment they saw me, they said, "Oh my God, hide your wives, Prem Chopra is coming." And my father looked at me, he said, "Yeah, what is this? I thought you become famous actor, but what is this reputation you got?" मैंने कहा जी उनको बुलाइए जरा, उनको बुलाया. So then we had a lot of conversation with each other. They found it very normal. He said, "You're a very normal person." अभी उस वक्त क्या था, क्लासिफिकेशन हो जाती थी ना कि ये हीरो है, ये हीरोइन है, विलन है. तो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट था.
करेक्ट.
आजकल हीरोज भी करते हैं तो रीजनिंग दी जाती है कि व्हाई ही बिकेम सो बैड.
करेक्ट. यू ऑल वर एस्टैब्लिश्ड विलेंस, मतलब आप गंदे ही इंसान हैं.
जैसे आप आए स्क्रीन पर तो मालूम है उनको गड़बड़ होने वाली.
बट प्रेम साहब, आजकल फिल्में बदल रही है, विलेंस बहुत कम हो गए हैं बिकॉज हीरोज ही विलेनी कर लेते हैं. सो डू यू फाइंड दैट द प्लेस फॉर विलेंस इज बिकमिंग स्मॉलर?
You see, the difference nowadays is that at that time there was no other media of entertainment. People were only focused on cinema.
Correct.
And nowadays people are exposed to so many entertainments like television, your videos, your this thing and that thing, and so many other computerized, online वगैरह सब कुछ देख लेते हैं आप. तो ये डिफरेंस ये है कि उस वक्त तो एस्टैब्लिश हो जाता था कि नहीं ये हीरो है, ये हीरोइन है, ये विलन, ये कॉमेडियन है. लेकिन वो आजकल ये है कि people have started recognizing, no, this is the talent. If the actor performs certain characters, if he's playing it convincingly, they like it. And lately I have played some positive characters also, but you must have seen this Rocket Singh Season of the Year and so many other films that I am doing where positive characters are there. So there the people have accepted me.
सही बात है.
Because now they become, you see, they're little opened up now. बंदिश नहीं रही उनको.
सही बात.
They have become emancipated more now.
Correct.
About these things. So they sort of like a certain performance, they appreciate it. Whether I am playing a bad man or a...
ऐसा कहा जाता है कि एक बार मेकअप लग जाए तो you constantly want to be in the limelight.
That is very true.
तो कैसा लगता है जब इतनी ज्यादा फिल्में नहीं करने को मिलती?
अभी खुद भी ऐसा होता है कि this is a very good question. Somebody asked me कि यार आप इतने सालों से हैं इंडस्ट्री में, अभी भी लगे हुए हैं.
लगे हुए हैं.
ये अभी क्या रिटायरमेंट एज नहीं होती? तो मैंने कहा यार इस लाइन में कोई भी हो, चाहे एक्टर हो, जो टेक्निकल आदमी हो, कोई भी हो, nobody wants to retire. They want to stay in show business. They have the smell of, they like the smell of the studio, they like the smell of everything, their surroundings around. Anywhere in the world, nobody likes to hang the boots voluntarily. तो दो reasons हैं इसकी. या तो physically you become totally unfit. You're not able to work. So many actors of ours become totally unfit now. They want to work but they can't work because of physical ailments. And secondly, when you stop getting work, which also happens very often.
सही बात है.
So in my case, it has been there. It has been the bulk of work is not the same as it used to be. तो अभी कम है. I'm enjoying this phase also. The other day I did, yesterday, this Sunday I did one ad. I was trying to avoid doing ad.
इतने सालों के करियर में पहला ad आपने किया है ना?
पहला ad.
So nobody approached you because you were a screen villain or you turned down?
The people approached me, but I found it very funny.
Like, I would love to know for products like.
Products different, जैसे उसके बाद बाल होते थे, बालों के लिए, और कुछ देने के, कुछ जूतों के लिए, कुछ ऐसे. तो मैंने कहा मुझे कुछ अजीब सा लगता है करते हुए, लेकिन अभी मैं देखता हूँ अमिताभ बच्चन भी कर रहा है, शाहरुख खान भी कर रहा है, सलमान भी कर रहा है, सब कर रहे हैं, आमिर खान भी कर रहा है। मैंने कहा व्हाई नॉट यार, इट्स डिफरेंट लाइन।
रकीदा जी, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, इन स्कूल जब आप और अपनी बहनें, आपकी जो बहनें हैं छोटी छोटी थी, तब कहीं भी आपको शर्मिंदगी महसूस होती थी स्कूल में ये कहने के लिए कि मैं प्रेम चोपड़ा की डॉटर हूँ?
स्कूल में सबको पता था।
हाँ.
And I realized my father's famous because they used to send me send autograph books at home.
अच्छा.
That's how I knew, and they used to love him for some reason, you know.
अच्छा.
And हम लोग को लगता था, hey, he's a villain, and you know. And I remember telling my father once, you know, just become an honest taxi driver. I don't want to do this film anymore. For me, that would have been the ultimate, you know, make an honest living. Don't do these things. And I remember that day.
कितने साल की थी आप?
Must be 6 years or 7 years.
कि टैक्सी चला लो.
टैक्सी चला लो, ये काम बंद करो. And then he sat down and with a very straight face, ना पापा ने बस समझाया, नहीं भाई ये पिक्चर है, हम लोग एक्टिंग करते हैं. And then I think to calm us down, they took us for shooting.
फिर हमने उससे पहले आप लोगों ने
देखा नहीं था शूटिंग, हम लोग स्क्रीन में देखते थे और फिर पापा को मार पड़ती थी and we used to start crying in middle of the everybody screaming at the theater, पापा को मार रहे हैं, पापा को मार रहे हैं. So the whole theater used to look at us, but we were traumatized. And if Papa was killed, we used to go home. मेरे पापा तो मर गया. We used to go home. No, Papa is here. He's alive. You know, so we all three of us in our own time, we went through that, you know, that thing of seeing his movies.